In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn interest on your crypto with Binance Earn. And for more information on Binance, please check out everybithelps.co.uk. Binance Earn is a complete suite of products that are available for Binance customers. And Binance Earn essentially acts as your crypto savings account, where you can find a variety of options for earning passive income with your crypto holdings. Now, if you haven't already signed up to the Binance Exchange, I have a promotional offer in the summary below that will give you 20% discount from your trading fees. So from Binance.com, if we head across to Finance at the top of the screen, and then down to Binance Earn. And in here you'll see there's a whole host of different options available depending on your desired level of risk, term and returns. And you can stake your tokens, lend your funds for interest, or safely deposit them into a DeFi service all through Binance. And these are then split between flexible terms, fixed terms, and high-risk products. Now, to start using any of these earning solutions, you can transfer your funds from your Exchange Spot wallet across to Binance Earn. If you're not too sure how to deposit funds into your Spot wallet, then I'll just quickly show you now. So if we head across to Wallet in the top right-hand side of the screen here, and then down to Fiat and Spot. And you can search for the coin that you'd like to deposit. And then select Deposit under Action. And from here, you'll be presented with an address and a QR code to send your funds across to. Just make sure that you always send the correct type of crypto to the correct address. If, for example, you send Bitcoin across to an Ethereum address, you could risk losing your crypto. Now, if you do watch my videos, I always recommend not keeping your crypto on an exchange, as it's a far more likely target for hackers. So do beware of the risk when leaving your crypto on an exchange. And there's a few ways that you can protect yourself and your Binance account. These include adding two-factor authentication to your account for an extra level of security, which can be the likes of Google Authenticator, or I personally use YubiKey, which I've got a full tutorial for. You'll also want to verify your identity and turn on whitelist withdrawals, and this is so that your account can only withdraw to addresses that you've personally set up and confirmed. Plus, you can also enable an anti-phishing code. But let's head back to Binance Earn now and take a look at the different earning options. So first up, there's flexible terms. And under this we have flexible savings. This is where you can deposit your crypto and gain interest on a daily basis. When we click onto transfer, you'll be prompted to enter in the amount and your spot balance will pull through here. Then simply enter in the amount that you'd like to deposit. It'll show you some information in relation to the transfer, such as the 7-day APY and maximum deposits here. And this option is great for crypto that may be just sat idle in your spot wallet otherwise. Plus, you can also auto-transfer, which will automatically use the available spot balance to purchase flexible savings. Also available under flexible terms is the launch pool. With launch pool, you can deposit the likes of BNB, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to get a share of a new token that's being launched on Binance. You can view all the available launch pools by clicking onto View More, and it will show you which tokens are farming, the total rewards in the period as well as when it ends. And it will also show you the available tokens to stake. And this is deemed as flexible because although you are locking these tokens in, you can still redeem them at any point during the event. Then the last flexible option we have here is the BNB Vault. The BNB Vault is a BNB yield aggregator that combines flexible savings, BNB DeFi staking and launch pool to give you the best APY returns. When you stake your BNB tokens, you'll receive BNB Vault assets and the rewards will be sent to your spot wallet. Again, you can unstake your funds at any time. Then you have fixed terms, which essentially means that you're going to be depositing your funds for a specific or fixed period and on a regular basis. You'll find that the interest rates are higher here than flexible terms. With fixed savings, the terms are from 7 to 90 days, with the rates increasing the longer that you deposit for, and during this period your assets are locked in. Then we've got staking or locked staking. And this is where users can gain rewards through staking assets on the blockchain. There's quite a few options to select from here, and these come with some minimum locked amounts too. There's also activities, and these are special events with limited supply and higher demand. And because they're generally a capped supply, you sometimes need to be quick to subscribe. And it will display the rate, duration, and subscription progress in here too. And there's been around 155 of these activities so far, and they can offer even higher returns than fixed savings usually does. Then finally, there's ETH 2.0 staking, which again is fixed and a safe and secure place for ETH staking with up to 20% APY. Now, when you do stake, this can't be redeemed during the first phase, which may take more than 2 years. And Binance will regularly distribute on-chain rewards to all participants based on their BETH position, which is the token provided as proof of your staked ETH in a 1-to-1 ratio. Once the first phase is complete, you can redeem your ETH. However, in the meantime, you can swap your BETH for ETH on a 1-to-1 basis. You can swap BETH back to ETH at any time and receive the amount equivalent to your current BETH amount. Then we have what's deemed as high-risk products, and these include DeFi staking. And this is so that you can access DeFi without having to manage your own private keys, make trades, or perform other complicated tasks required to participate in DeFi staking. And there's flexible locking and fixed locking available from here. With dual investment or dual savings, you can deposit a cryptocurrency and earn a return based on 2 assets. You commit your holdings, lock in a yield, but earn more if the value of the holdings increase during the time that they're locked up. Now, although the rate of return is fixed, the final settlement is determined based on the settlement price and the pegged price. Therefore, the risk associated with dual currency investments mainly lies in the high rate of the market volatility, and users are advised to invest with caution once they fully understand all the risks. Then finally, we have LiquidSwap, and this is where you can become a liquidity provider and earn double. And this is obviously not risk-free either, as when the market price of tokens fluctuates greatly, the staking income may be lower than the income of ordinarily holding the tokens, and losses may even occur at this point. And I have a separate tutorial about LiquidSwap if you're interested in finding out more about that. So as you can see, there's so many different ways that you can earn interest with your crypto using Binance Earn. And I hope that you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.